Fluor is primarily an engineering company, at least what we're planning is primarily engineering functions. We were evaluating our alternatives for a new package because our solutions were at end of life. One of our big things was we wanted, even if they can't necessarily be on the same app, they need to be able to talk to each other, and Tagetik offered that. Another big plus was all of the customizations that we needed in relation to labor and capital expenditures. We needed it to be able to handle that. And then another thing that we really strongly wanted was strong ad hoc analysis abilities. Tagetik was able to demonstrate their ability to deliver that in a way that made us happy. So we can add all of those metrics together and roll it up to a cohesive plan, a cohesive forecast. We get a lot of requests from business line owners, from C-suite executives, and they want to know something that may not be in a canned report. They may want to dig down into, like, hey, I see our consulting hours are going up, or it looks like we're paying more for license fees. Need you to dig into that. And the ability to kind of get into the details and use Tagetik's drill down functionality to get at those details quickly is key. So the ability to have very agile, responsive ad hoc reporting was very important for us. A lot of the real measurables are in customer satisfaction. And our customers, of course, are all internal customers. We're dealing with everyone from cost center managers all the way up to C-suite executives. And their satisfaction with the analysis and the reporting that we're able to provide to them, as well as the accuracy of the forecasting that we provide for them. That's really our metric, is how satisfied they are, because they use that information to make very important business decisions. The biggest key to success is choosing the right implementation partner. We've gone with Huron, and Huron has done a really great job with us, and that partnership has been just so key in the success of the project as a whole. I think when you can bring all of those bits together in a cohesive way, you can kind of make magic happen. You can be a hero and really improve the product you're delivering.